If you started with a free developer account, created a form, and are now ready to move into production, you can upgrade to a covered entity account. This activates HIPAA-compliant mode and removes the developer badge from your forms. You'll have 3 options to choose from, and I'll walk you through when to use each. From the My Forms page, click on Switch to HIPAA-compliant mode. This is where you'll see the 3 options. Let's start with the first option, switching your free Sandbox developer account to covered entity mode. This is for healthcare providers and other covered entities who initially chose the free Sandbox account, but are actually healthcare providers. The account owner stays the same. You'll review and accept the Business Associate Agreement, and your account becomes a covered entity with a 30-day free trial. The second option is to transfer the entire account to a covered entity. This is for users who initially created the account on behalf of or for a healthcare provider. This option transfers ownership of the account to a third party. Upon transfer, the covered entity signs the BAA, and the account then belongs to them. Please note, your developer account will be deleted, but you can always create a new one later. The covered entity can invite you as a developer as well. The third option is to invite a covered entity, a new HIPAAtizer user, and transfer specific forms to them. You keep ownership of the account, but the forms you've created and transferred to the covered entity are duplicated in their new account. This option keeps you connected to the covered entity as a HIPAAtizer team member and allows you to continue making edits and supporting their forms in the future.